Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tether XLM crypto in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, I request you kindly subscribe my channel. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel. I need your support. Please click the subscribe button and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Tether XLM in the cryptocurrencies market. What's the price of Tether XLM in the cryptocurrencies market? As you can see here, there's a live price prediction of Tether XLM crypto in the last 2 hours you're watching now. The last 2 hour change on the Tether cryptocurrencies as negative 0.53%. In the high price of Tether XLM cryptocurrency in the market is $0.382986 is the high price in the previous 2 hours. Now if we see the graph of the Tether XLM, so they are falling down, but now currently they are jumping upward, as you can see on the graph of Tether XLM cryptocurrency. Now let's see the live price prediction of Tether XLM in the previous 2 hours. What's going in the previous 2 hours of Tether XLM cryptocurrencies? Let's see the live price prediction. As you can see here in the previous last hour result you are watching, negative 0.37% changes in the Tether XLM cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the changes on the graph, as you can see here, they are going upwards. So it's the best time for all XLM cryptocurrencies to buy XLM and make a good profit and make a good amount of money. It's an opportunity to buy Tether XLM crypto and make a good amount of money. It's a live price prediction of previous 1 hour. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. A lot of people not subscribing my channel. Click the subscribe button and complete my 2K subscriber.